morning everybody. Today is a long waited day. Finally I am here. I have waited for this day from a long time. Guess where I am? Can you guess? Can anybody guess where I am? Okay, I'll give you a clue. There we go. There we go. Right, I'll give you some more time to guess. I hope you have guessed it, because soon I'm gonna drive one of those cars. Come on, let's go and check what I am gonna be driving. Little bit of a briefing and we are out in our car.
Ruhi.
Yes.
Ruhi. On this is the one we're going in now. The orange one.
Okay, the orange one. Okay.
Yes. So.
Brilliant.
All right.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So we won't be able to have that in there.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, you have to put that
Oh,
bucket
okay,
away,
okay.
if that's okay.
Okay, I'm going in, but I can't have this one. Okay. Yes, we have done.
It's yours.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Again.
I'll push the seat back for you so
Yes,
it's a bit easier
please.
to get out.
It's
How was that?
Beautiful.
Nice.
Mind-blowing experience.
How's that? Give it a hand.
Thank
There
you.
you go.
Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome.
We have done it. This was my first car. Beautiful. Let's go to the next one. Guys, I have done Lamborghini and I'm in the queue of Ferrari. So I'll see you in 2 minutes when I am in the Ferrari now.
Go, come
Shall we go? Right, my turn. There's another Ferrari.
Yeah, it's the red one and the yellow one there.
I will go in red one then.
Okay.
Please, I love the red one.
You're on off the yellow one then, dude.
I'm going the red one. Yep, this is the one.
Martin, you're going to fill up the water in the van in a bit. Just so we can wash cars later. You know, all the... Okay, if you want to jump in for me.
Hello.
And then just put that away as well in the bag before we go, please.
Okay, we have done. Yeah.
Yeah, just give me one
Thank you.
minute.
There we go. We have done it. Oh, मरना नहीं है अभी मरना नहीं है. All done, guys. All done. I have enjoyed a lot today. I think I have done it in a good time. You know, it started raining now. Look at the weather. Blimey.
Beautiful English weather.
Guys, I have enjoyed a lot. Mind blowing. And I think this is time for me to go home. Let's go. Let's go. I hope you guys did enjoy watching my clip, and if you did, please don't forget to click on thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe me, because more clips are coming. More clips are coming on their way. So before you go, click on subscribe now, and I'll see you in my next clip soon. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.